Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Happy hump day. So let's start with this unboxing video. So this is a Zowie EC2. So this is the new Zowie mouse. And yes, there are going to be issues with the side buttons, and you hate the scroll wheel. Guess what? To stay away with this mouse. Now, of course, I want to let you guys know, if you did not know, I'm going to let you know now. I'm still waiting for the pre-order for the glorious Model D minus. It's almost the same dimensions as this mouse, which I'm excited, and I cannot wait to get that mouse. And you know for sure we're going to be doing a lot of field testing, but not as that much, because again, I'm going to start college already, so I'm going to be busy with that as well. So let's do this bad boy. Okay, so let's open this thing up. So the difference is that it uses a new rubberized coating from the S2. These side buttons, I don't know if they're good or not, even though I tell you the truth, man, Zowie, when it comes to shapes, they are the kings of it. But man, if they can come out with a lightweight version of this mouse and at least add arm-around switches to the left click and right click, and also as well to add better side buttons on the mouse, I tell you this much, a lot of people will be going with this mouse. But unfortunately, it's not gonna happen, which sucks. So okay, let me remove the two-sided tape right here. Oops, just gotta remove this. Oops, sorry, I moved the camera because I'm behind the cabling sheet. So okay, it's not still a little travel there, but it's not as that bad. Still, I really what can you do? Scroll wheel still the same. Left and right click is good. So what is also the difference between this one as well? Of course, there's a lot of EC series. So of course, the original EC2B had the smaller feet, and then people didn't like it, so they went back with the big feet, which is awesome. So also as well, since I had the original EC2A, yes, I just said that correctly, is that it uses a 3310 sensor. This one's using a 3360 sensor, which is nice, and also you can adjust the DPI and the polar rate at the bottom. Now compared to the EC2A, the EC2A, you had to unplug and replug it back in to change the polar rate, and you only can adjust the DPI at the bottom, that's it. But this one has two buttons at the bottom, which is awesome, that you can adjust, again, the polar rate and the DPI, and also has a mouse feet in the middle, which is awesome. Also as well comes with warranty information and user manual, and you also get extra free in the Zowie sticker. So let's plug this baby in and let's stand by. Okay, so I already plugged the mouse into my system already and configured the DPI and the polar rate watt. So I'm gonna show you the DPI. So purple means 800, blue means 1600, green means 3200, red means 400 DPI. And the polling rate right there will be 125, 1,500. Pretty much that's it, plug and play, ready to go. I'll give you a quick sound test. So the main reason why I want to try this mouse is because if you skip this video, is that the dimensions on the EC2, it's almost the same as the Model D minus. From Glorious, the only difference is again that the back, this part was a little bit wide. And of course, I want better feet. These feet glide way much more better than the XFI M4. If the XFI M4 has more, I mean not more, sorry about that. If they had better feet, I would love been using this mouse. But now I'm gonna relax. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, any questions, you already know what to do already. I'll talk to you guys later. Please be safe and enjoy the rest of the summer. Goodbye.